Okay guys, just a quick video on how to fix your buzzing or humming noise on your, I believe, 97 to 2002 stock Honda radio. So I mean, on buzzing, when you're using a auxiliary cord like this, because this stock radio doesn't have any auxiliary cord. So here's what I did. I put a wire pin on that number one leftmost corner. This is the one that goes to the back of the radio. On this side, I'll show you. Yep. So this is my Amazon or eBay 3.5 auxiliary cord. It keeps on buzzing when I don't have this. Yeah, I'll show you. I remove that. I'm sorry, I don't have any cameraman here, so I remove the wire, so you'll hear the buzzing sound. And I connect it in my iPhone or any device you're using. So let me just open that.